Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. Today we will be walking you through the UI UX design process for Fundly, a personal finance tracker application designed to help users manage their spending icon and shared expense more easily. With our lecturer, Ma'am Afifa Nurlita Octaviasari, thank you for giving us a chance to present our project. Our presentation is divided to 5 parts. First, we will walk you through our UI guidelines. Next, our empathize and define stage. Following that, our ideate and user flow process. Then present back to along with our wireframe design. And finally, close by with our mockup and prototype. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. Begin with me. My name is Yumna Feros Nasution.
I am Fatima Swardi.
My name is Nofri Gabriela Nainggolan. I am Marsale Putri.
Without further ado, let's begin with our UI guidelines. First is the guidelines. For our color palette, we choose a theme with hints of green, blend with teal blue, deep purple, and a lighter purple, plus a yellow accent for highlights. We choose purple and blue-green because they reflect the values we want to fondly to represent. Purple conveys trust, stability, and wisdom, qualities important for infinite app where users need confidence in managing their money. Blue-green with its hints of green brings a sense of growth, balance, and calm, symbolizing financial progress and a stress-free approach to budgeting. Together, these colors create a palette that feels both trustworthy and approachable, reassuring users as they track and grow their finance. For typography, Mukta Money is used for headlines, while Poppy headlines body text for clean readability. Our logo combines the brand and gradient with NRP symbols representing the currency paired with a hand icon for a trust and care. We also built a matching circular loading indicator using the same gradient style for consistency. For icons, we designed a consistent set covering set core features, home, group, user, finance, statistic, notification, and split bill, all sharing the same line weight and color style. For buttons, we define 3 states, normal, hover, and click. For both icon buttons and action buttons like submit, cancel, delete, and edit, so users always get clear feedback. Our progress indicators tracks spending and income in real time, and the split bill card show each member's payment status with avatar and percentage. And the next will be presented by our friend.
During the empathize phase, to user persona were created to represent the target user of the Fundly app, college students who active manage their personal finance and frequently engage in activity with friends. The first persona described a user who wants to better manage their income and expense, but still faces difficult because record keeping is done manually and they often forget to log transaction. The second persona describe a user who frequently split bills with friends, so they need an easier way to calculate split bills, track debts, and keep track of who hasn't made payment. After developing user persona, an empathy was created to gain a deeper understanding of the user experience in terms of thoughts, feelings, words, and action. The empathy map fault that users often said they forget to record their expenses and found the process of splitting bills to be complicated. On the other hand, they believe that financial management should be more practical and automate. Users are also worried when their expense exceeds their budget and feel uncomfortable having to chase down friends who haven't paid their share. Based on observation through user persona and empathy maps, several key pain points were identified as the main issue. Users still track their finance manually, so they often forget to record transactions and have difficulty understanding their financial situation. Additionally, the lack of reminder feature causes users to frequently be late in recording expenses or paying bills. When splitting bills, users also have trouble calculating a fair division of costs, distinguishing between needs and wants in their spending, and tracking who hasn't paid yet. After the main problem was successfully identified, the divine pace continued with the formulation of how might we question as the basis for finding decent solution. Based on the result of these how might we questions, the key features of the Fundly app were formulated, such as automatic transaction recording, financial categories, payment reminders, debt tracking, payment method integration, and an automatic bill splitting feature. All of these solutions were designed to address user needs based on the finding from the empathize space.
Uh, okay, next, I explain the idea and user flow part of design process. As you can see, this is the idea stage. At this stage, our team brainstormed several ideas based on the user need and the problem we identified uh, early. Each member contribute one solution, and final we come up with five main idea. This idea include user transaction recording, multiple payment method, automatical bill splitting, financial analysis, and payment reminder with debt tracking. Then we move the affinity diagram. Uh, Here we're organized and expanded each idea into more detailed feature. For example, the transaction recording feature allow user to record their income and expense more easily. The automatical bills split feature calculate how much each person need to pay, making group payment much more convenient. Meanwhile, the financial analysis feature help user understand their spending habits through simple report and visualization. We also include payment reminder and debt tracking so user can manage their payment more effect, effectively. Uh, based on based on this idea, we create a prioritization matrix. As you can see here, um, we we as you can see here, we prioritize each feature based on this impact and the effort required to develop it. Based on this result, the automatical build split and financial analysis feature become our two priorities because they provide the highest value for user. The transaction record and multiplied payment method feature will be development next, while the remainder and debt tracking feature will be implemented is a later stage. Uh, then we move to user flow. As you can see here, the user flow show how user interact with our application from the begin until the complete their tasks. We design the flow to be simple and easy to understand so user can navigate the application without any confusion. And the confusion. Okay, thank you. Next.
On this page, I will explain the family wireframe. The family wireframe is the initial blueprint of the application. It illustrates the layout, navigation, and placement of interface elements before moving to the mockup and development stage. The purpose of the wireframe is to ensure that the application user flow is clear, intuitive, and provide a good user experience. Okay, the login page is the first screen user see. It includes email and password field, a login button, and a sign up option for new user. The logout is designed to make the login process simple and user friendly. And next, the home page server as the main dashboard after user login. It displays a financial summary, account balance, recent transaction, and a button notification bar for quick access to other features. The and next, the finance page allows user to manage their income and expense. It includes a financial summary, transaction history, and option to add or manage financial records. Then the statistic page displays charts of income and expense, helping user monitoring their financial condition. It also includes a list of recent transactions as supporting information. And then the speed build page helps user manage their expense with friends, family, or colleagues. It displays the bill list, payment amounts, and the payment status of each member. Users users can also create a new bill, making group expense management more organized and convenient. And next, the notification pack contain reminders, transaction update, and other important notification. Notification are organized by time, making them easier to read and manage. Then the group pack allows user to manage their financial group. It display group information, totals, expand member list, and activity story, making collaboration easier. And the last, the profile pack display the user personal information such as their profile picture, name, and account details. It also provides access to account setting and application preferences. Okay, thank you. Next.
And next, we move to the mock-up and prototype. And this stage, we develop a prototype of the Fanlib application. This prototype allows user to experience the application workflow, starting from logging into the access all of its main features. It also helps us evaluate the navigation flow and improve the overall user experience. The first feature is the home page, which serves as the main dashboard. It provides an overview of the user balance, income, expenses, and quick access to the application's key features. And here, the menu, we have goals, settings, transactions, calendars, and wallet, and others. And if we click the goals, the page move to the goals page like this. And if we back to the home page. And in below the applications, we have a home bar, um, transaction bar, statistic bar, split bill bar, and profile bar. If we click you move to the transaction page like this. You show the M-Banking wallet transaction and others, and we click the statistic. Move to the transactions page, and next split bill. We display all of the split bill like this, and the next profile. On the split bill page, if we click on the one of the bill sharing groups, you will be redirected to the group chat page, which display the members, the bills amounts, and may also display payment display direct to the group chat page. We display the members. Click. We display the members, the bills amounts, and may also show the payment evidence in here.
Okay, I think that's all for our presentations that we already show all of our project that consists many features, menu, and our special features is the split bill here. So I think that's all for our presentation. If we're I think that's all for our presentation. If we making mistakes, we are saying sorry. And thank you for your attention and thank you for listening.
And see you.